In today's video, I'll show you how to clock in on Jobber so you can track your work hours efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open Jobber in your browser or the app and log in with your account credentials or sign up if you're new. Once you're in, navigate to the Timesheet tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This is your hub for all time tracking activities. To start tracking your hours, simply tap the clock in button. Jobber will automatically start the general timer, capturing your work time until you clock out or begin a visit timer for a specific task. At the end of your workday, return to the timesheet tab and tap clock out to stop the timer. Your logged hours will automatically update in the app, showing both general time and any specific visit timers you used. And that's it. You've successfully clocked in and out on Jobber, keeping an accurate record of your work hours for easy review and reporting. Stay on top of your hours and keep your workflow organized with Jobber.